Hi, I'm Jeremy from Lingo. Yes, this is a Chinese idiom. In this lesson, we're going to learn 但愿如此,但愿如此 Word by word 但 but, however 但 but, however 愿 hope, wish 愿 hope, wish 如 if, as 如 if, as 此 this 此 this What is the meaning of 但愿如此? It means I hope the thing goes as what I thought, goes as what I hoped. So you can just directly translate it into hopefully, hopefully. Let me give you some examples. 加油，这次考试你一定能通过。加油，这次考试你一定能通过。但愿如此，但愿如此。It means you can pass this exam. And the answer is 但愿如此, meaning hopeful, hopefully, or I hope so, I hope so. Fingers crossed, let's hope so. Let me give you one example. 别灰心，你还会遇到更好的姑娘。别灰心，你还会遇到更好的姑娘。但愿如此，但愿如此. It means don't give up, you will meet a better girl. And the answer is I hope so, 但愿如此. Well, fingers crossed, I hope so. Let's do the wrap up. 但愿如此 means I hope so. Let's wish it for. I hope so. So sometimes it contains a little bit of connotation that you lack of confidence. So sometimes, I hope so. You really want it to happen, but you're not very confident. I'm your host Jeremy, and this is Lingo Yes. If you like our program and find our program videos are very helpful, please Google Lingo Yes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.